Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best outdoor gas grills that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Weber Spirit E435 Natural Gas Grill. Weber is one of the most recognizable brand names in grilling, and there's a valid reason why. Several of our editors at Popular Mechanics own Weber grills and love them. We tested this model and chose it as our best overall, because this basic, quality grill will meet the needs of most people. The Spirit offers 456 square inches of cooking area across 4 burners for a total of 35,000 BTU of cooking power. You can boost 2 of those burners by 40% to create a more intense sear zone, which is key for those who like a rare steak. We tested this searing feature on some thick burgers and bone-in chicken, and it allowed us to cook them all the way through, but with crisp sear marks. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Weber Spirit 2E210 Liquid Gas Grill. Essentially, this is the smaller version of our best overall. You're getting a great grill at a lower price with only a few drawbacks, most of which are related to the size. And that may not be an issue if your usual grill audience is small, or you have limited patio space. This model gives you 360 square inches of cooking area, and 2 burners outputting a total of 26,600 BTU cooking power. Its porcelain-coated, cast-iron grid sits above large, inverted V-shaped deflectors that keep drippings off the burners. These can all be removed to make cleaning them easier. The grill also offers 2 generously sized stainless steel side shelves, which give you an ample prep space. In our tests of this grill, we found the heat distribution is even throughout the cooking area. 2 burner tubes run front to back, and a third connects them to keep heat rising toward the warming rack at the rear. We also found the assembly to be straightforward, complemented by an easy-to-follow illustrated guide. At number 3, we have the BBQGuys Victory 3-burner gas grill. Victory's 3-burner propane grill is made from stainless steel, inside and out, including the grill grates. One of the things we like about stainless steel grates is that they're easy to clean and don't rust over time. Like most of the outdoor gas grills we tested, the Victory came unassembled. A couple of the steps to put it together required some patience, but we liked how well it was built. Using the bread test, we cranked the grill up to test heat distribution, and found it to be very even, with 2 cooler spots at the front corners. The wide heat diffusers over the burners help to keep the heat consistent. Of course, with 3 burners, we could turn 1 or more down to create indirect heating areas easily enough. We like large, full-width drip tray, accessible from the front, which makes cleaning a lot easier than models with a smaller tray or drip cup. We found that Victory's 3-burner grill worked equally well for burgers and thicker, tricky-to-grill meats like chicken. At number 2, we have the Coleman RoadTrip 285 Portable Stand-Up Propane Grill. The Coleman RoadTrip 285 is one of the most solid options we've checked out. Because it easily folds down and rolls away, it's a suitable choice for tailgating, camping, or a barbecue in the park. Plus, it runs on 16-ounce propane canisters, which are easy to transport and inexpensive to use. Just make sure you have several on hand if you plan on long cooking sessions. While it's designed to be small, this grill offers more cooking area than other portables. You can get enough burgers and hot dogs, 8 to 10, on its 25 by 12-inch cooking surface, or whatever else you're grilling, to feed your immediate family. It offers a total of 32,000 BTU of cooking power from 3 burners, which is high for a small grill. And finally, at number 1, we have the Blackstone Iron-Forged 36-inch Griddle. The Blackstone Iron-Forged 36-inch Griddle was the top choice in our guide to flat-top grills, so it made sense for us to include it here. This 4-burner model features a carbon-rolled steel griddle plate. This material heats quickly and reaches temperatures up to 650 degrees Fahrenheit. And even better, it disperses heat evenly. This allows for even heating across its 768 square inches of cooking space, enough space to cook 30 burgers or 60 hot dogs. A convenient feature is the Blackstone's built-in accessory and tool system that can be customized to your liking, with tool holders, baskets, inset totes, and other items. It also has 2 sets of side tables for plenty of workspace, and the left one extends to offer even more space. One issue we experienced was the lid can be awkward to lift and keep up, especially in the wind. If flat top grilling is what you'd like to get into though, this grill is a good way to start.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.